In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the topic of relative frequency. With the example on the left-hand side, an experiment has been done where I choose 40 balls from a bag and found that 10 were red. I've been asked to find the relative frequency of getting a red ball. Relative frequency is the observed chance of getting something. Essentially, it's a probability. So to calculate a relative frequency, we divide the observed number of occurrences of something happening, in other words, in this case, getting a red, over the total possible number of outcomes. I observed a red ball 10 times out of 40 altogether, and this can be simplified down to a quarter. This is the relative frequency of getting a red ball. A quarter could also be written as 0.25 or 25%, and any one of these three answers would be acceptable for the question on the left-hand side. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right-hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So from choosing 60 balls and finding 30 were red, the relative frequency of getting a red ball would be 30 out of 60. This simplifies down to a half, which would be the same as 0.5 or 50%. This is the relative frequency of getting a red ball in this experiment.